the most powerful and unique mining excavators in the world. Excavator Ripper. Excavator Ripper. An excavator ripper is a powerful tool designed for breaking through tough ground conditions. It features a single, heavy-duty tooth that penetrates hard soil, rock, and permafrost. This attachment is commonly used in land clearing and excavation preparation. By loosening compacted materials, it increases efficiency for further digging operations. Excavator rippers are essential for construction and mining projects. Excavator Demolition. Excavator Demolition. An excavator demolition machine is a specialized excavator designed for tearing down structures. It is equipped with hydraulic attachments like crushers, shears, and breakers. These machines offer high efficiency in dismantling buildings and processing debris. With reinforced frames and extended reach, they can handle large-scale demolition projects. Their precision reduces collateral damage and enhances safety on site. Excavator Rock Saw. Excavator Rock Saw. An excavator rock saw is a specialized attachment for cutting through hard rock and concrete. It features a rotating saw blade with carbide-tipped teeth for efficient cutting. Rock saws are used for trenching, mining, and demolition projects that require precision and power. They are ideal for environments where traditional excavation methods are not effective. Excavator rock saws provide controlled cutting with minimal vibration and disruption. Hammer Breaker. Hammer Breaker Excavator. A hammer breaker excavator is a machine equipped with a hydraulic hammer for breaking hard materials such as concrete, rock, and asphalt. The hydraulic hammer delivers high-impact force to fracture tough surfaces and is often used in demolition and road construction. Hammer breaker excavators are essential for breaking down large structures, removing old roads, and performing heavy-duty excavation tasks. They significantly speed up the demolition process compared to manual methods. This tool is especially useful in confined or urban spaces where traditional methods are not viable. Drum Cutter. Drum Cutter. A drum cutter is an excavator attachment used for precision cutting of rock, concrete, and asphalt. It features rotating drums equipped with carbide teeth for efficient material removal. This tool is ideal for trenching, tunneling, and demolition applications. Its low vibration and noise levels make it suitable for urban environments. Drum cutters improve excavation speed while minimizing structural damage. Excavator Grapple. Excavator Grapple. An excavator grapple is a hydraulic attachment used for handling bulky materials. It features strong, claw-like arms that can grasp logs, scrap metal, and demolition debris. This tool improves efficiency in material sorting, loading, and transport. Grapples come in different designs, including rotating and fixed models. They are widely used in forestry, demolition, and recycling applications. Excavator Straddle Carrier. Excavator Straddle Carrier. An excavator straddle carrier is a heavy-duty machine used for lifting and transporting large loads. It features a unique frame that allows it to move over objects while carrying them. This machine is commonly used in ports and industrial yards. Its hydraulic lifting system ensures stable handling of containers and heavy materials. The straddle carrier enhances productivity by streamlining logistics operations. Excavator mulcher. Excavator mulcher. An excavator mulcher is used for clearing vegetation and grinding tree stumps. It features a rotating drum with sharp teeth that shred branches, bushes, and undergrowth. This attachment is ideal for land clearing and forestry management. It converts organic material into mulch, reducing waste and improving soil health. Excavator mulchers increase efficiency in large-scale clearing projects. Clamshell excavator. Clamshell excavator. A clamshell excavator is a machine fitted with a clamshell bucket for material handling. It is designed for dredging, bulk loading, and excavation in deep or hard-to-reach areas. The bucket opens and closes to grip and transport materials efficiently. This machine is widely used in port operations, mining, and construction. Clamshell excavators offer excellent precision and control. Thumb excavator. Thumb excavator. A thumb excavator is an attachment that enhances an excavator's ability to grasp and handle materials. It works in combination with a standard bucket, providing extra grip. This tool is useful for picking up irregularly shaped objects like logs and debris. It improves efficiency in construction, demolition, and forestry work. Hydraulic thumbs offer better control compared to mechanical versions. Structural damage.